Good morning, everybody. As you can see, I've got the Jeep behind me, and over the weekend I scored a Facebook Marketplace find on a Safari roof rack that we're going to go ahead and get installed on the Jeep, and I'm going to walk you through the process of doing it. So let's go. This Body Armor 4x4 roof rack comes with two mounting options. One, where the bracket mounts to the side of the body, which requires me to drill holes in the body, or the second option, which is this bracket, which mounts to the frame. However, this bracket is designed to work with an aftermarket rear bumper, but I still have the factory stock rear bumper off the JK. So what I'm going to have to do first is pull this bumper off, cut it down, that way we can make this bracket fit. So let's get this bumper off and get her cut down. So I've got the bumper off here, and it appears that the cleanest place to cut this thing is going to be right along this line and over. So I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off both ends right at these lines right here and up and over. So let's get started and see what happens. Alright, so now that we've got the rear bumper cut down, it's time to get our first bracket mounted up to the top of the Jeep. We're going to have to take these 4 Torx heads bolts out and get this mounted up just like that. This roof rack is constructed of 1/8 inch steel tube construction. It's easy to assemble and it has no drilling required. It boasts a dynamic load rating of 350 pounds and a static load rating of 700 pounds when it is frame mounted like I've done here. If you choose to opt for the rear body installation, your load rating drops substantially, so keep that in mind when you're shopping for a Safari rack for your Jeep. It's been a few days and I've had a chance to drive around with this rack on the Jeep for a little while. I haven't noticed much of a fuel economy loss, but at freeway speeds and highway speeds I have noticed a bit more noise. So this is the older model Safari rack by Body Armor. The newer one doesn't have the cargo basket anymore, it just has crossbars in place of the cargo basket. But this thing is built well. It is strong and sturdy, and I know it won't have any issues holding my rooftop tent or all my other gear that I plan on putting on this Jeep. So I'm happy with it, and if you're even thinking of buying a Body Armor Safari rack, I would say don't even hesitate. This thing's awesome. Well, that does it for this video. If you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. And if you want to follow along with the Jeep build and all the adventures we have planned this summer, consider subscribing so you get notified on the next video. Have a great day. We'll see you next time out on the road.